Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our Ford F150. It's a really kind of a neat truck. It's got the STX with sport appearance package, so it's a loaded up STX. A few little rock chips on it, a couple heavier scratches there. Otherwise, pretty nice shape. You're not going to find a lot of faults. And the best things that come out of Phoenix, Arizona, so it doesn't have any rust. You don't have to. I know these are aluminum trucks, but still no rust issues, no corrosion. 77,993 is the mileage. You can see with sport, got some buckets with a console, all your Bluetooth, power windows, lock screws. Has your connectors in the back there, upgraded radio, has Michelin tires on it, so got some high-end tires. Like I said, you're gonna find a few lighter scratches here and there just from being a pickup. But very nice truck, and we sell these with 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty, so the best warranty you're gonna get from anybody. Nice straight pickup and nice and clean. Aftermarket Nerf bars. So got a few extras, and like I said, the nice Michelin tires on it. So super nice truck, nice affordable, under 30,000 for a 70,000 mile truck. 605-692-7010.